Hi guys, so today yung discussions natin is more on community feedbacks, yung mga questions nyo, pag-uusapan natin to. And as we all know guys, we have this ongoing issues. We give perspective dito guys na sa ating YouTube channel based from your feedbacks, based from the community. Maraming mga nagtatanong din dito kung paano yung workaround, paano lumipat ng kanilang assets. But then again guys, personally, with respect to the current situation, today, I just want to give my perspective lang din dito guys based from the questions ng community. Again, I always keep mentioning this na don't listen to me. This is only for ideas, for reference, does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito guys sa ating discussions today guys, no? So, maraming mga nagtatanong dito guys sa atin sa nakulilipat. Actually, before pa itong issue nangyari is that I give some ideas na dito, like for example, there's a lot of Web3 wallets, there's a lot of local exchanges na regulated dito sa atin. I have give that option or perspective naman sa mga videos natin, and wala pa yung issue guys is that we give these ideas na you must like diversify your asset, kailan ikaw yung may full control sa assets mo, and other risk and reward discussions dito guys, no? Risk management is very important in crypto space. Yun, siguro this is only just an ideas lang para ma-acknowledge yung mga questions nyo, especially yung mga questions dito kung paano lumipat or kung paano ilipat, paano yung magiging workaround ko dito. So, ito guys, nandito tayo sa app. Currently, nabubuksan pa naman yung app, pero good thing, as per Sir Luis, mamaya discuss din natin yon na merong other options just to access your account. Mamaya discuss natin yon guys, no? But before we start dito sa ating discussions is that kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So, punta muna tayo dito guys sa app. Dito nga guys, as we observe, nasa home tayo. Last time we discussed yung something like mga questions ninyo, kung ano yung other opportunity dito. So, punta muna tayo dito guys sa wallets, no? So, dito sa wallets, merong option dito ng earn. Itong si Algo, binigyan ko ng perspective and upon observations dito. Ayan, nandito siya sa flexible. Select muna natin to. Around 82 yon. So, as of the moment dito guys, nasa 82.51 since meron itong na-earn daily guys, no? So, may mga nagtatanong dito paano to ilipat. So, just like, punta ka lang dito sa wallets mo and then select mo yung Algo for example, and then select mo yung flexible, and then pagkatapos nyan, makikita mo na tong user interface na to. Redeem mo lang siya, and then max, and then confirm guys, no? So, malilipat siya dun sa spot wallet natin. So, go to wallet lang tayo. Punta lang tayo dito ulit sa wallets, tapos dito sa spot. So, upon observations dito, ayan, nag-reflect na yung algo natin. So, dito guys, you can just transfer naman ito. Like, for example, gusto mo i-transfer. Like, I don't know if meron na sa Gcrypto ito, pero if wala pa, I think, pwede mo naman siya i-convert into USDT. And like, for example, select ko lang tong algo. And then, meron ditong option ng trading. So, Algo USDT, select lang natin to. So, nabili natin to ay around 21 cents. So, kahit papano, profits dito. So, pagkatapos nyan, pwede nating i-sell dito. And then, ito. So, ito yung available natin. And then, 100% lang. Say, for example. Ito guys, it's an option. Step lang to guys, no? Ayan, 100%. Tapos, as per checking dito, 22.86 USDT. We have profits dito ng around 4, 5, 6 USDT something. So, pagkatapos nyan, like for example, pwede natin ditong sell algo lang. Pwede naman dito sa may market. And then, pagkatapos nyan, close muna natin to. And then, 100%. Ito automatically guys na mabibenta, no? Pero medyo mataas yung fees dito if market ka. Pero pwede ko naman dito palitan ng, for example, limit. Tapos, select ko lang siya dito. And then, 100% lang ulit. Sell algo. And pagkatapos niyan, ma-place na siya dito. If ever man na tamaan, ayun. So, nabili na or nabenta na. Meron na tayo ditong pinaka-USDT guys, no? So, itong USDT na to, pwede naman to i-transfer sa GCash. I think Coins.ph meron din ata. And other options pa dito, I think Meron din sa banks, no, you can just transfer that. Like, for example, punta ka lang sa home, and then punta ka lang dito sa more. Okay lang natin to. And then P2P. Tapos sell lang dito. And pagkatapos nyan, dito lang sa add funds, transfer. So, from spot wallet to funding, tap max lang. And then confirm transfer, guys, no. So, simple as that. If you want to, like, transfer your assets papunta sa GCash or cash out papunta sa GCash, guys, no. So that's other option. So back muna tayo dito, tapos back. Other option din, guys, kung gusto mo ilipat ito, karamihan may mga nagtatanong gusto nila ilipat. So since USDT na yung pinaka-asset mo dito, so punta ka lang sa assets, tapos hanapin mo lang dito sa may spot ito, and then select mo lang dito, guys, USDT, or pwede naman dito mag-direct sa withdraw, no. And then pagkatapos nyan, ito USDT. So, select lang natin to. And then, pagkatapos nyan, send via crypto network. So, dito, guys, may option ng network. Like, for example, TRC, I think sa coins. Like, for example, TRC20. Medyo mahal yung fees dyan. BNB Smart Chain. Medyo kahit papano mura. Nasa 33 cents in USDT. Polygon, Ethereum, Solana, Optimism. And make sure lang, guys, na tama itong network na pipiliin nyo, guys, no? Like, for example, you're transferring into your Web3 wallets or sa hardware wallets mo. Make sure na tama itong network na pipiliin mo dito, guys, no? Ito, just an example lang, guys, no? Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong. Hopefully, ma-acknowledge ko dito sa video na ito. Pero other option pa dito, guys, is that like itong application na to wherein I give perspective naman dito, guys, no. So like meron din siya ditong pinaka-rewards wherein you can claim points daily dito. Select mo lang itong daily check-in, and then pagkatapos niyan you can just claim daily. And then other options pa dito, you can just claim those points. And yung points na yun, guys, can be converted naman into USDT, guys, no. So it's free USDT, pero it's only a bonus. You can just use that on trades or rebates ng pinaka-fees. And then, if ever man na makapag-accumulate ka ng USDT, yung pinaka-profits ng USDT na yun can be converted into real money or can be cash out through e-wallets. So, ito, guys, lalagay ko na lang yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na to, or pwede nyong i-scan itong QR code na to if na view na ito sa desktop, guys, no. So, back muna tayo dito. Like, for example, gusto mo i-transfer naman dito. There are some earning opportunities din naman dito, guys. Just like, then again, I did not recommend. It's my own approach lang naman dito, guys. As mentioned, don't listen to me. Just make sure you do further research pa rin sa end ninyo. Much better to have this self-custody pa rin sa end ninyo. Risk management is very important sa trading, is that don't put all your eggs in one basket. For me, I've been trading dito in crypto space. I have this risk management naman sa end ko, guys, no. So, dito, guys, if you wanted to transfer USDT, punta ka lang dito sa my assets, and then dito sa my deposit. Ito, select mo lang itong deposit. And then pagkatapos niyan, dito sa my search sa taas. So, dito, ayan, search mo lang dito USDT, guys, no. Ayan. And then pagkatapos niyan, dito sa network. So, ito yung medyo mura, BEP20, tapos Smart Chain. So, select lang natin to. And then, mapupunta siya sa funding, no? So, pwede mo naman dito na palitan like sa spot, no? If ever na okay ka na dyan, copy mo lang siya. And then, balik ka lang doon sa kay Binance app. Ayan, dito. And then, select mo lang ito, yung Smart Chain, BEP20. And then, dito sa taas, like, for example, paste mo lang yung address na kinapi mo. And make sure, guys, na tama yung pinaka-address, yung details, yung network. Check mo yung first 4 and last 4 characters ng address na yon. Tapos, tap max lang. And then, tap withdraw. And then, meron lang dyang verification codes na kailangan mo ilagay, no? So, medyo hassle siya sa mga gantong scenario. Pero, yun. Hope you get some ideas dito. We just give option naman doon sa pag-withdraw papunta sa mga e-wallets. We have this option like, for example, gusto mo ilipat like going to Gcrypto, Coins.ph, or other Web3 wallets na meron kang self-custody like for example hardware wallets, MetaMask, and other Web3 wallets guys, no. So, meron naman dito guys na like itong post ni Sir Luis, na-share ko to 13 hours ago. Other option to like for example, move your tokens of Binance like step by step. So, meron siya ditong pinaka steps. So, you can just check this out guys. Nasa Facebook ko naman ito or pwede ko naman i-share dito sa description ng video na to. Pero, yun yung isa sa mga steps and ideas dito sa video natin today guys. Itong mga gantong scenario in crypto space is like, hopefully it will reflect and the learning journey siguro, hopefully na magkaroon tayo dito ng reflections, ideas sa mga gantong scenario that can we help implement in the future guys, no. Will be ready as well. We should respect that. We should respect both parties. Itong video na to will just for the user, for the questions, feedbacks ng users, kung ano yung mga nababasa ko lang din sa comments, and I have this parang responsibility, obligation just to give my perspective sa inyo guys, no. So, yun, hope you get some ideas dito guys, and hoping for the best dito Crypto PH guys, no. So, if you have questions guys, don't hesitate to ask lang dito sa comment section ng video na to. That's it for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.